Your 20s are a test, a silent exam. No teacher, no warning, no retake. Only results. Most people fail it, and they never understand why.
Because your 20s feel confusing. Everyone else seems ahead. You feel behind. You compare your timeline. You question your identity. You wake up with pressure. You go to sleep with guilt. You fear wasting time, but you also feel too tired to change. It's like walking through fog with no map and everyone yelling different directions. And the worst part? It feels like everyone else got the instructions except you.
But here's the truth. Your 20s are not about achievements. They're about decisions, tiny ones, every day. Each decision shapes your future identity because your brain is wiring itself like wet cement, still soft, still moldable, still forming the you you'll live with for decades. You're not building a career. You're building a character. You're not building success. You're building systems. You're not trying to win the race. You're building the engine that will run your whole life. That's the hidden test, the test nobody warns you about.
Phase 1. The identity fog. Your early 20s feel chaotic for a reason. Your brain is upgrading. Your values are shifting. Your environment is changing. Old childhood scripts are breaking. New adult scripts haven't formed yet. This creates identity fog. You don't know who you are. You don't know what you want, and that's normal. It is a phase, not a flaw. But most people panic, so they rush into wrong identities, wrong habits, wrong crowds, just to feel stable, and it costs them years.
Phase 2. The distraction trap. Your 20s drown you in noise, trends, expectations, comparison, the illusion of perfect timelines. Everyone online looks ahead, so you feel behind. And when you feel behind, you escape, you scroll, you distract, you numb. You delay the real work. Distraction becomes your emotional bandage, but each distraction blocks your growth. Each avoidance shrinks your potential timeline.
Phase 3. The micro-decision engine. Here's where the test becomes visible. Your future is built through tiny choices. 5 minutes of learning, or 5 minutes of scrolling. A small workout, or a small excuse. A hard conversation, or quiet avoidance. A little discipline, or a little regret. Every micro-decision becomes a vote for the person you're becoming. Your 20s are not about winning big. They're about forming the engine that will win later. Success is not built by intensity. It's built by identity, and identity is built by micro-decisions.
Phase 4. The compound identity effect. Most people think their 20s don't matter because results seem slow. Progress is invisible. Changes feel tiny. But identity compounds like interest, day by day, habit by habit, vote by vote. A tiny skill today becomes confidence tomorrow. A small discipline today becomes consistency next year. A small discomfort today becomes growth later. Your 20s are planting seeds. Your 30s are harvesting the forest.
Phase 5. The rebuild moment. At some point in your 20s, something breaks. A plan fails. A relationship ends. A dream collapses. A path closes. And you feel lost again. But here's the truth. This moment isn't the end. It's the upgrade. It's where weak identities fall apart so stronger ones can replace them. You're not falling behind. You're shedding the identity that wasn't meant for your future. Rebuilding is not failure. Rebuilding is evolution. Rebuilding is passing the test. Phase 6. The alignment phase. Eventually, you stop chasing timelines. You stop copying others. You stop pretending. You stop panicking. You start listening inward. What energizes you? What drains you? What matters to you? What values feel right? This is where alignment begins. Not perfection, alignment. When your habits match your identity, when your identity matches your values, when your values match your future, this is the moment your engine ignites. Your 20s aren't a race. They're a foundation, a training ground, a blueprint, a long-term investment. You are not behind. You are not late. You are not lost.
You are becoming. Every small step, every tiny decision, every uncomfortable action is part of the test. And the beautiful part is, the test is not graded against others, only against who you were yesterday. Pass today's version, and you'll pass the entire decade.
If this helped you see your 20s differently, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which phase are you in right now. Your words might help someone else pass their test.